What's up guys? Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later, when you entered the wrong passcode too many times because you seem to have forgot it, you will see a security lockout screen like this. Fortunately, if you have signed in with your Apple ID and enabled Find My, the device itself is connected to a network. You will see the Erase iPhone button on the bottom right of the screen, which makes it possible for you to lock it without using a computer. To do this, tap on Erase iPhone. Tap on it again to confirm. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Then the erase will begin. This will erase all content and settings on your iPhone, including the passcode. If you have backed up your phone before, you can restore from a backup later when the process is done. All these looks awesome, but if you don't see the erase button on the screen, or the button won't respond to your touch, learn how to unlock it with 4 key on a computer. So once plug your phone in, click on Start. Then click Next. Now we get a step-by-step recovery mode guide. Navigate to your device model and follow the instructions to enter recovery mode. Let's take iPhone 13 Pro for example. So press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Release it when the recovery mode screen appears. 4key matches the firmware for you so you don't have to find it yourself. Once downloaded it, you can start the unlocking process anytime you want. This process usually takes about 10 minutes. Well done! Now that the screen lock has been removed, let's go ahead with the setup. If you have backed up this device before, select the Restore option here. Then choose a backup to continue. Here we go. Your iPhone is now downloading data from iCloud. Soon, you will see your applications and data once again. Another way to erase your phone wirelessly is using Find My on iCloud.com. Once signed in your Apple account, head over to Find iPhone. Select your iPhone from the list of all devices. Then go ahead and erase it. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted, and complete the settings that followed. And then, the erase will begin. This process takes just about the same time as the first solution. Move on to our last part. You can get rid of your lock screen with the Restore in iTunes. Once put your phone in recovery mode, you'll get a prompt like this. All you have to do is select the Restore option to proceed. Once iTunes downloaded the firmware, it'll start restoring automatically. When it's done, you'll see the startup screen. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. For more tips like this, subscribe to the Tenorshare channel, or click another video to keep watching now.